What is going on, everybody? Today we have the new knife, the Mini Paragon by Kizer. I remember seeing this knife from R.S.Knifeworks, full titanium, frame lock. He said it was a Mini Paragon. I was like, mini? Are you kidding me? That thing is huge. Now this one is a liner lock, and but it does have Micarta scales, so let's take a look at it and see how it looks. Okay. So, for the most part, I really like Kizer. I think Kizer really has been stepping up their game in the knife industry for sure. So, I'm pretty excited to take a look at this. So, let's see what we got going on here. Get this in here. So, what we got here? Looks like probably just, I got another cleaning cloth and knife information. Okay. Oh, yeah. Alright. Cool. Got tape gripping onto everything here. Get rid of that crap. Okay. Ooh, that micarta feels really good. Oh, sure. Yeah. See, that's the kind of aggressiveness that you want. Oh, yeah. Wow, that detent's stiff. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that blade's drop shutty, but ooh, yeah. Gotta take a little breaking in there. It's also a little far away from the scale too, which makes it a little bit of a challenge. But yeah, oh, really pretty impressive. I'll tell you. It's got a little harpoon here. That's pretty nice. Got a nice stonewash finish to it. And Mini Paragon there. And it is 154 cm, so it's a pretty good steel. That's got a nice edge on it. Nice little recurve there. Got some nice interesting fins kind of going on there. Give it a little bit of texture. And that micarta is really nice. Like, it's grippy. It's almost kind of feels fuzzy. And usually that's the best micarta. I think you can already tell it's going to pick up the oils, and it's really going to patina. Very interesting. That's an interesting pocket clip. It's very flat. Feels good in the hand, but I kind of wonder, that's an awful low. It's an awful low line there, but really pretty cool. That's all right. And that's for a pretty thick, aggressive liner too. That's no slouch of a liner lock either, I will say. Got a good 20% lock up there. Totally secure. No blade play up or down or anywhere. Centering looks pretty right on. Yeah, very, very impressive. Great with the flipper, let me tell you. And the blade is so huge, so big. It's total drop shut. Very, very impressive. So there you guys go. That is the Mini Paragon. We will carry this thing. We will break the heck out of it. Get that really nice and broken. And we will do a full review down the road, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time on the next video. Have a great day, guys. Mini Paragon by Kizer. Available today. Get it. Have a good day. Bye.